Adobe Stock Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Adobe Stock Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Adobe Stock Affiliate Program, discussing its key features, who it's perfect for, and why it could be a great way for you to earn commissions. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to sign up. Adobe Stock is part of the renowned Adobe Creative Cloud suite, offering high-quality stock images, videos, templates, and 3D assets. Whether you're a designer, content creator, marketer, or business owner, Adobe Stock's vast library makes it easy to find the perfect visual asset for any project. From stunning photos to motion graphics, Adobe Stock provides top-tier content trusted by professionals worldwide. The Adobe Stock Affiliate Program allows you to earn commissions by promoting these premium assets to your audience. Whether you're sharing stock media on your blog, website, or social media platforms, Adobe Stock's affiliate program lets you monetize the traffic you drive. Affiliates can earn commissions by referring new customers who either purchase credits or subscribe to Adobe Stock's monthly plans. One of the key advantages of the Adobe Stock Affiliate Program is the strong trust in Adobe's brand. Adobe is a household name in the creative industry, and many of your audience members may already be familiar with Adobe Stock, making it easier to convert leads. The program offers a generous commission structure where you can earn up to $20 per new subscriber and 8% commission on purchases made by your referrals. Adobe provides an affiliate dashboard that gives you access to real-time analytics and detailed performance reports. You'll be able to track your clicks, conversions, and commissions in one place. In addition, Adobe offers high-quality promotional materials, such as banners, links, and images that you can easily embed in your content to maximize your conversions. Overall, the Adobe Stock Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for creators, marketers, and digital professionals who want to monetize their audience while promoting high-quality, well-known stock media. With its competitive commissions, trusted brand, and easy-to-use platform, this program is a solid choice for anyone looking to earn passive income. If you're interested, make sure to click on the links in the description to get started with the Adobe Stock Affiliate Program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.